and welcome to the new tutorial. Based on research and analysis of successful YouTubers, here are 7 strategies to consider for the success of YouTube channel. Number 1. Define your niche. Pick a specific topic or theme that you are passionate about and focus on creating content within that area. Make sure you do some research to understand the demand and competition in that niche. Number 2. Consistency. Post regularly and consistently. Set a schedule that works for you and your audience. This helps your audience anticipate your content and builds trust and loyalty. Number 3. Quality content. Focus on creating quality content that is engaging, informative, and entertaining. Take the time to plan your videos, script your content, and edit it well. Number 4. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, create polls, and ask for feedback. Encourage your viewers to like, subscribe, and share your content. Number 5. Promote your channel. Use social media and other platforms to promote your channel. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche and participate in community events. Number 6. Optimize for search. Optimize your titles, descriptions, and tags to help your videos rank higher in search results. Research SEO strategies for YouTube. Number 7. Monitor analytics. Use the analytics tool provided by YouTube to monitor your channel's performance. Use this information to adjust your content and strategy to improve your channel. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to connect to your bullet points.